XX load. Do you like it?
It was fantastic.
Why?
We went in, we took a nap on the couch, we decided to buy it. We went one upstairs, we saw the bed, we took a night's sleep, we bought it. In and out in a hurry. That's XXXL Lutz. And it's a one-stop shop.
Hi guys, ayan, nandito na kami sa tindahan na to guys, XXX Lots. Ito lang talaga ang gustong puntahan ni Mr. Guys. Ayaw na niya mag-iba-ibang tindahan kasi gusto niya deliver at saka install. Kasi pag mag-iba-iba siya ng tindahan guys, baka matagalan pa. Iba-iba kasi ang policy nila dito. Ito ang nagustuhan ni Mr. ang policy nila dito kasi deliver and install na sila guys, diretso na.
Hi honey, where did you go? I see it. Damen Heron. Okay. Wow, look at this chandelier, honey. So pretty. See that? This buy one, honey.
That's here. Kasi mas ours na eh. 800 na. Honey, see mas our green. Or different. This is ours. How much now? No, because only 400.
Ayan guys, pauwi na kami at tapos na talaga kami dito. Ayan, mag-wait na lang kami sa delivery guys para makapag-install na sila.
plants, honey. Wow, very nice. Yeah. Fine.
Empty. Enough for my clothes here.
Oh, I said you make a picture of the bed, honey.
I don't take a picture, babe.
Ayan guys, swerte si Mr. dito kasi yung realtor namin na nakuha ay nilibre kami ng heater. Ayan, 3 yan at malaki. Kasi old na daw yung dati kaya binalitan niya ng bago. Libre lang yan sa kanya guys. Ayan, swerte ni Mr. Mahal siguro yan pagbilhin. At ito lang ang lights na iniwan guys sa dating may-ari. Kinuha siguro niya yung light, siguro nagustuhan yung lights niya kaya dinala. Ayan si Mr. Siya na lang magpalit dyan. Bumili na lang kami. Ayan.